Paige Schneider, and we're in Foundations of Web Design. We do lots of different repairs, but the most common are battery repairs and screen repairs. We do sometimes fix broken systems and keys that have popped off and everything. We get 4 or 5 Chromebooks a week.
My name is Emily Harrison. I'm a junior, and we're in Fundamentals of Web Design. Well, I personally have made a GHA's volleyball website. I've made a Gering FCA website, and right now we're working on doing a resume. We fix Chromebooks. We've learned how to fix the screen and the battery because those are the 2 most common problems that Chromebooks have been having. We've also learned how to fix the keys on the keyboard and just doing a software refresh too. And then there's screws along the edges of it, and then 2 in the middle, and you have to unscrew those and take the back off.
We watched a couple YouTube videos, the teacher helped us, but yeah, it was a lot of trial and error. Most Chromebooks are the same, but they're just a little bit different. Once we get all the screws out, we have to pop the back off, so. Oh gosh. This is the battery. There's only 2 screws holding it in, and so you'll take those 2 screws out, and then we have to disconnect it from there. Then you have to unhook it up here. We put the back on first, and before we put in all the screws, we turn it around and make sure that the battery actually works, and that way we put it in correctly and everything. We don't have to go through the hassle of unscrewing everything if we mess something up. So this one's finished.